Windows 10 Wi-Fi password show. This is the best way to show your connected Wi-Fi password on Windows 10. First, find the internet access icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. If the network or wireless icon does not appear here, click the small up arrow icon on the taskbar to view hidden icons. Then right-click the internet access icon. Then click on Open Network and Internet Settings. Then click on Network and Sharing Center. Under Connections, click the name of the Wi-Fi network that you are connected to. Then click on Wireless Properties. Then click the Security tab. Check the box next to Show Characters. The Wi-Fi password is displayed in the network security key box. If you find this video helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.